Hello everybody, this is Divya here, and today we're going to discuss on the dietary habits which can give rise to obesity. People trying different kind of diet plans. The people are giving intensity of workouts, but still they want to come down with their weight. Weight loss is still on, but sometimes they don't reach their weight loss. There is something, a hindering factor which occurs, which can be because of their dietary habits. Unknowingly their habits would be in such a way that they try to change it, but unknowingly that has been a habitual thing, so which you have to put a limelight on. So there are certain dietary habits which has to be taken care, which will definitely give you a result if you are trying over a weight loss thing as well. So we're going to discuss what are the dietary habits which can inhibit your weight loss thing and can lead to obesity. So there are certain things like 3 more primary dietary habits. For example, if you are into watching TV or you are into your workplace, you have the habit of something munching into your some commercial product or some processed product. So if you are unknowingly, you never know how much quantity you have been consuming, because your over concentration over your work or either into your system or either into a TV. So late night movies after your working hour, you would be exhausted physically, but you're getting engrossed into a movie and unknowingly you will keep munching over the processed, a packet of any chips or crunches, something like that. So you never know how much calories you are consuming, and post sunset the calories are not going to be burned. It's just going to stay stagnant into your body and turn out into cholesterol. So this is one of the primary dietary habit which has to be taken care. The habit of munching something when you are being concentrating on something else. The habit of eating along watching a TV should also be taken care. It shouldn't be appreciated right from the childhood to the kids as well. The second dietary habit is like improving on physical activity. Currently the lifestyle has been so sedentary lifestyle that everybody's working environment also is not being too much moving. At the same time, when it comes to kids also, they are not being moving too much. They stay in the school and they get back from the school and they stay along with their some gaming equipment. So that should be avoided. Encouraging physical activity should be encouraged, and at that same time the exhaustion and the feel of hunger and the appetite should be sensed every time. It shouldn't be that for time's sake. The natural symptoms of appetite or the symptoms of hunger should be appreciated from the childhood. So whenever the kids are being reporting of hunger, are being reporting of appetite, that's when the normal symptom of the whole system is occurring. But if the physical activity is completely low, there wouldn't be those symptoms being natural. They will be just dumping their food into their body and they wouldn't be aware of what they're consuming as well. And one more dietary habit which can lead to obesity is like not dedicating enough time to your food habits, like 3 traditional meals or in between snacking. So you are just being engaged with some other work and not concentrating on your 3 traditional meals. If you have been either writing a report or either been doing something over your phone, so just engage yourself with some other activity is not appreciated. At the same time, stocking too many processed or stocking too many commercial products into your fridge will always make your hand to lead into those products. So always try to avoid those things. So if you have been taking care of all this and try to do your workout regularly and following a good diet regimen, definitely you're going to hit your target weight. Thank you.